Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we've got some little diffuser fins to be put on the back of the GT86. These are 3D printed ones. We have got some codes down below for you with links, so hoping it's going well. Really like the way they look in the photos, so I'm hoping it all comes out quite well on the car. But yeah, should be quite an easy one. Realistically, all we should need is tape measure, just obviously measure them out, screwdriver just to put our holes through, and then obviously just basic Phillips to actually screw them on. So hopefully it should be quite a simple one, but we'll see how this goes. Okay, yeah, so first step we're going to be jacking the car up. We was hopeful we might have got away with it because of the lovely high ride height I have in the 86, but the screwdriver just won't quite fit under for us trying to drill a hole, so we're going to have to jack it up just a bit to make it a bit easier ourselves, and so we can actually drill in a straight line. So yeah, let's get that up now quickly. Okay, so it's quite a simple one. You get 6 fins, obviously 3 for each side. 4 of them the same size, 2 small ones for the outside. You want to start off with your middle ones on each side, so they're going to be going just on the inside along here. We'll get them on, and then we'll measure up for the other 2, because those all evened out, so should hopefully look quite good once we're done. But yeah, let's get the first ones on. Okay, so it's a little bit fiddly, obviously a bit of adjusting all that to find your kind of spaces. I've kind of got it so we're about 1.25 inches out from these sort of bits, just because I think we found when we first went in a little bit too close, it was starting to angle the fins a bit too much. So now we've just got to measure out, obviously, to even out the other ones on each side of them. So from here should be fairly easy enough to work out. Obviously you just want to keep measuring up so you all look even, because you don't want it to kind of be lopsided and that, but we got all the instructions and that, and yeah, we kind of found it a bit easier to go through without the drill. So obviously you don't really need it too much. We kind of just, if you obviously saw from the footage, you just kind of go out with the screwdriver, just push it through, does it itself, so made it quite a bit easier. So one less step, so might not even jack the car if we needed to, but oh well, let's go with those other ones. Hello. So yeah, that's it. We have the little diffuser fins on, looking absolutely brilliant. Obviously the whole car needs a good clean, so before the end of the video I'll get it all cleaned up and there'll be a whole bunch of like nice footage showing it all off, because I am actually loving the way the rear of this car looks now, between those and obviously the Maxton bits, the little high-rise bits. I'm very much happy with how the car's looking now, so we have to get it cleaned up and get some good shots for you. But yeah, other than that, thank you all very much for watching this little video. So don't forget, like I said, if you are interested in getting these little diffuser fins, there is a link down below with a discount code that they've given us for everyone to use. So obviously make sure you use it because you can get it cheaper than it already is, and it looks great. So they also do one for the aero as well, because I believe that's a bit of a different diffuser. So yeah, other than that, obviously if you like the video, like it, give us a subscribe if you want to see more, and yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.